First question, which stain is used commonly in psychopathology? Answer options. Option A, H and E. Option B, alkane blue. Option C, Giemsa stain. Option D, PAP stain. Correct answer, option D, PAP stain. Second question, which substance is used to remove non-pathogenic mycobacteria in LJ media? Answer options. Option A, NaOH. Option B, malachite green. Option C, lysine. Option D, pyruvate. Correct answer, option B, malachite green. Third question, minimal threshold of mycobacteria for culture positivity is. Answer options. Option A, 1000 bacilli per ml. Option B, 10 bacilli per ml. Option C, 10,000 bacilli per ml. Option D, 100 bacilli per ml. Correct answer, option B, 10 bacilli per ml. Fourth question, basic principle of third part automated analyzer is. Answer options, option A, flow cytometer. Option B, magnetic resonance. Option C, electrical impedance. Option D, capillary electrophoresis. Correct answer, option C, electrical impedance. Fifth question, basic principle of fifth part automated hematology analyzer is. Answer options. Option A, flow cytometer. Option B, magnetic resonance. Option C, electrical impedance. Option D, both A and C. Correct answer, option D, both A and C. Sixth question, which color reagent used in anti-bee serum? Answer options. Option A, eosin. Option B, crystal violet. Option C, methylene blue. Option D, ecreflavin. Correct answer, option D, ecreflavin. Seventh question, what is the normal titer of ABO antisera? Answer options. Option A, 1:32. Option B, 1:100. Option C, 1:256. Option D, 1:64. Correct answer, option C, 1:256. Eighth question, chemical nature of Rh blood group system is dash. Answer options. Option A, lipids. Option B, carbohydrates. Option C, protein. Option D, nucleic acid. Correct answer, option C, protein. Ninth question, preservative of choice for urinary metabolites. Answer options. Option A, boric acid. Option B, thymol. Option C, 6-normal HCl. Option D, formalin. Correct answer, option C, 6-normal HCl. 10th question, which of the following is responsible for ammoniacal smell of urine? Answer options. Option A, bacteria. Option B, pus cells. Option C, ammonium biuret. Option D, tyrosine. Correct answer, option A, bacteria. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു. നമ്മളൊരു ടെലഗ്രാം ചാനൽ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിൽ ഡെയിലി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. താല്പര്യമുള്ളവർ ആ ചാനലിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുക.